Ya, 4, bonus. And the first one we have is the scorpion, el escorpión. We're moving out to a sedenda, and on 5, 6, 7, we bring the hand over in a circular action just for styling, and then 1, 2, 3. Now here the elbow goes in. I'm going to turn this way so you can see the elbow goes in, then this one comes on top like a t-shirt. It's going to feel really squeezed, guys, so practice that one. Now usually you're in a rotational movement, like moving like that, and that helps you stretch. Then remove the left hand, this will be a little bit tricky, and put it over your head. Once you finish clean of that move, lift this over and over the lady's head. Looks complicated? It is. But let's have fun with it one more time in this direction, and then I'll show it once more in the circular action. 1, 2, 3, and yes, we do have 4 movements in one video. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, it might not feel the most comfortable thing in the world in the beginning, but you want to practice, practice, practice. And here we go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. A little play. 1, 2, 3. Now I'm going to move circular, guys. You put it over, the left hand over, the right hand over. Now right here, you're going to move the left hand up and give the lady a turn inwards, like you're saying, up yours. Then you're going to keep on moving with a sakala, or sorry, a backward hook turn. A sakala is a forward turn. And you're going to continue with moving around, keeping the right hand right on your neck as a choke. Bring that over on 1 and go for a dile que no, which is basically the crossbody lead of a lay style, but with a little bit of differentiation, yeah? Okay, that was our first move, guys. As I told you, I'm moving from most difficult to more easy, relatively easy, so this was the big bump you needed to go through. Let's go to our second one, which is the Miami choke. It's not really a choke, it looks like that, but the lady I showed you is quite comfortable. We're going to start our next 3 moves like that as well. We're going to switch right to right like so. Hold, pass underneath, and lift up here. Now bring the hand over. 1, 2, go behind and under the lady. Now here, don't choke her, just keep softly, and lift up the other hand here. Now we open up 1, 2, and chufle with a little up, and move into circle, circle, so you come into the dile que no. You can go 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, and over, and 1, 2, 3, con una vuelta, 6, 7. This wasn't so difficult, but I'll do it one more time so you guys follow up with the count because I haven't done it. I like to first show the mechanics of the hands, then put rhythm on it so it becomes easier. We learn the hands, then we put beat to it. And 1, 2, 3, here we go, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, over. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, out. 5, over la cabeza like superhero. Slide the hand in and give the lady a nice turn. That's number 2. Now we're moving on to the third one. The third one has a little bit of a stretch of the right hand. It's called abrázame, which means hug me. And what you literally do is force the lady's hands into hugging you. It's a very nice trick I like to do, and let's go for it. 1, 2, 3. Again, for styling, we're just popping over the hand like that, pretending we're going to put it over, but we don't. We open up to it and shoot flat. Then the guys will turn now for angle again. I'm not going to rotate. I'm going to stay where I am, and this is what happens. Now I'm going to turn to the back so you see what happens again. Turn to the right, guys, and make sure you're at the edge of your fingers. If you have this hold, you don't have enough space. Edge of your fingers. And stretch. This will take practice. Stretch. And then come in front of the lady and push her hands around, and that's what she did. She just hugged me. And it looks like I just put them there. Okay, let's give it a go with some timing now. Practice that move by itself and then timing and rotation. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Abrázame. Vamos. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, here's the rotation, you see it? 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, hug yourself. 1, 2, 3. Leg on. Leg over. Nice turn. So we're having here 1, 2, 3. Once again, as I said before, we start off by going sombrero hold, keeping it simple. And right here now, this is like a straight line going in, bending your bum out, and voila. Now, in this place, usually you would throw the hand and catch it, but in this position, there's not many things you can do. So you lift up the hand so the lady leans backwards a little bit. Don't lose connection. It feels uncomfortable a little bit, but then keep on turning her and finish with that sombrero hand hold. 1, 2, dilegueno, 5, 6, 7.